In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and filter multiple dynamic datasets in Wix CMS. Whether you're new to Wix or just looking to enhance your site with dynamic data, this guide will walk you through linking datasets efficiently to create an interactive, engaging experience for your visitors. First, you'll want to head over to Wix and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find the CMS or Content Manager option. This is your gateway to managing all things related to dynamic content on your site. Clicking on the CMS option will open up a realm of possibilities, as it allows you to store and manage multiple datasets effectively. Now, the beauty of the Wix CMS lies in its flexibility, offering you a multitude of options to integrate dynamic data into your site. You'll find several categories or collections, as they're called, which you can utilize to store different types of information. Depending on what you need, you can drag and drop these options onto your page, creating a seamless experience for your site visitors. Once you've chosen the dataset or dynamic element you want to use, the next step is editing these elements to display your data accurately. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. With ease, you can customize how each piece of data appears, from adjusting fonts and colors to setting the layout. The drag and drop functionality makes this process incredibly user-friendly, even for those who might not have extensive technical knowledge. One of the key features of Wix CMS is the ability to filter and link datasets. This is crucial if you want your website to present data in an organized way, improving both the back-end management and the front-end user experience. For example, if you want to display a list of blog posts but only show those related to a specific topic, creating a filtered dataset allows you to accomplish this. By linking datasets, you ensure that related pieces of information are displayed together, providing a comprehensive view that enhances user engagement. A few tips to keep in mind. Always make sure you name your datasets clearly so you can easily identify them later. Regularly review and update the data to keep your site relevant and up to date. And don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts and filters to see what works best for your directory structure. That wraps up today's tutorial on linking and filtering multiple dynamic datasets in Wix CMS. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a dynamic, interactive website that perfectly suits your needs. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy building!